Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hello guys, welcome back to AI Signal.
You know what time it is?
It may have happened to you that you have a recorded audio file from your classes or anything else and you want to change it to type text.
Nice.
So today I would like to introduce another artificial intelligence to you that you can convert your audio file to text.
Perfect.
A few moments later.
My time has come.
If you are ready, let's go, but please subscribe me because I need your support to survive.
No! What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it!
Okay, thank you so much. Let's do this. Well, let's imagine that the voice we are going to hear is the recorded voice of the teacher in the classroom and we want to convert it into text.
World War II was the most devastating and in most cases the cruelest conflict in human history.
After you have recorded your teacher's voice, just go to convertspeech.com website. After you enter the website, you have to select your audio file from here. Okay, to see the result, just click on Start Conversion.
World War II was the most devastating and in most cases the cruelest conflict in human history. If we look at it from our current perspective, it seems unthinkable that anyone would intentionally launch such a devastating war. It may surprise you to hear that it was just as shocking to many people at the time as well. Parts of the world, Europe in particular, had yet to recover from the horrors of the First World War. Millions had vowed that they would never get sucked into another global conflict, and yet, 2 decades later, it happened again. For years, historians treated the causes of World War II as separate from the causes of its predecessor. However, the leaders...
Okay, my friends, as you have seen, you can easily convert voice to text by using this artificial intelligence tool.
That was easy.
In the end, I would be happy to write your opinion about the channel in the comments.